I will request Ankit Nalotia ji to come on the stage, and I will request Ratan Sharda ji and Dr. Harish Shetty ji to please come on stage, and I will hand over the mic to Ankit ji.
Namaste, good evening. We'll start the session with the national anthem, Jana Gana Mana. So I request everybody, please stand. जो पीछे हैं वो भी एक बार के लिए रुक जाएं. Okay. Yeah. We'll start. भारत माता की वंदे वंदे. So it's great to see कि आज ये विले पार्ले का जो हमने एक स्पेशल सेशन किया है, इसमें दिनेश जी एंड टीम has really worked hard and obviously स्पीकर अपने आप में इतने बड़े अट्रैक्शन हैं कि और किसी एफर्ट की ज़रूरत नहीं है. तो लेट मी टेक दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी टू इंट्रोड्यूस डॉक्टर हरीश शेट्टी जी. ही इज़ अ सीजन्ड प्रोफेशनल विद अ प्रोफाउंड कमिटमेंट टू एडवांसिंग मेंटल हेल्थ अवेयरनेस एंड फॉस्टरिंग सोसाइटल हार्मनी इन भारत. With a career spanning over 3 decades, Dr. Shetty has established himself as a prominent figure in the field, leveraging his extensive expertise and technical qualifications, including MBBS, MD, DPM, and DCM. His career objective is deeply rooted in community mental health, suicide prevention, and the dissemination of awareness across diverse linguistic and cultural landscape, as evidenced by his fluency in English, Hindi, Marathi, Gujarati, Konkani, Tulu, Kannada, and Tamil, at least what I know of. Dr. Shetty ji's proactive engagement in various activities underscores his multifaceted approach to mental health advocacy. As the president of My Home India, he champions the integration of the rest of India with the Northeast, fostering inclusivity and understanding across regions. Additionally, his role as a governing board member of the National Testing Agency demonstrates his commitment to shaping educational policies with a mental health perspective. His hands-on approach is evident in his weekly workshops on mental health in schools and suicide prevention initiatives in local communities and educational institutions. Moreover, his contributions extend to capacity building efforts with NGOs, support groups for those affected by COVID-19 and teaching mental health to diverse audiences, including the judiciary and corporate sectors. Dr. Shetty ji's extensive work experience reflects his dedication to providing mental health relief in the aftermath of natural disasters, riots, and pandemics. From offering psychosocial support to earthquake survivors in Latur and cyclone-affected communities in Kandla, to evaluating disaster relief efforts and facilitating pre-litigation centers for vulnerable populations, his efforts have left an indelible mark on society. Notably, Dr. Shetty ji's involvement in legal and policy reforms underscores his commitment to systematic change. His initiatives range from petitioning for the abolition of segregation, based on academic performance in schools to advocating for the identification and reunification of individuals recovered from mental illness with their families. As a distinguished faculty member at Symbiosis Law School and a columnist for various publications, Dr. Shetty ji extends his reach beyond traditional clinical settings, shaping the discourse on mental health and wellness. In light of his contributions, Dr. Shetty ji emerges as a transformative figure in the field of mental health, whose tireless efforts continue to inspire and empower individuals and communities across the nation. We welcome him today for an enlightening session.
Just to add to his commitment, I know from personal experience, all through COVID, Dr. Shetty never sat at home even for one day. He told me he travels by auto because you should not be confined in an AC room. He took his meetings without ACs, with open windows, never felt sick, all through this period. So that's his commitment.
इतना लंबा चौड़ा इंट्रोडक्शन मुझे आज तक किसी ने दिया, पता ही नहीं ये सब कौन कौन है ये हरीश शेट्टी. टुडे इज़ अ वेरी होली डे. इट्स बाबा साहेब अम्बेडकर जयंती. How many of you know how many degrees he has? Masters. Anybody? Quickly. Masters. How many degrees? How many of you are educationists? अंग्रेजी के पंडिताइन लोग होते हैं ना, पंडित पंडिताइन, ऐसे कितने लोग हैं? How many of you are ICSC backgrounds? We are SSC. रतन में ICSC. What about ICSC? बाप रे, कब गए थे यार तुम? कभी था? Which year did you go? Which school? Jamnabai. Amog? Jamnabai. Okay, nice. So how many degrees, masters did he have? Huh. 4. Master. And who sponsored his education? When I start my talk with this is exactly, I'm trying to sensitize you so that you sensitize your children. Extremely important. Okay, now let me have a quiz. Are you ready for this quiz? Yeah. Who's this? Who's this? यहीं रहते हैं ना 10th रोड पे? नहीं? Who is this? Any idea? Your children will know this. Go to any school, 6th standard, you put it and they'll shout out the name. Technoblade. He is one of the famous YouTubers who died at a very young age. And you will say in Seva Bharati lecture, why I'm talking about Technoblade. Unless you know what is going on in your children's mind, जब तक बच्चों के सोच के दायरे में आप नहीं घुस सकते, तब तक कुछ नहीं कर सकते. हाँ? Who is this? हाँ, चलो इतना तो ज्ञान है यार. जानू बीस्ट. Who is he? Who is he? YouTuber. Okay. पीछे वाले सोच रहे ये सब कौन से इरा के लोग हैं, है ना? हमें तो ये सब पता ही नहीं. Who is this? Who said that? Congratulations, Taylor Swift. How much money she made in the last year? You go to any school, ask girls, they are fans of Taylor Swift. Taylor Swift's birthday यहाँ मनाते हैं, माँ की बर्थडे नहीं मनाएंगे, टेलर स्विफ्ट की बर्थडे मनाएंगे. ये समझना बहुत ज़रूरी है. To get into, see what I do when I go to school, I sit with my son. आज कौन जीता फुटबॉल मैच, किसने गोल मारा, and the way I talk in 1 minute, they all believe that I've seen the entire match. The point is, you need to be very alert to what is happening in the minds of the children. Who is this? अच्छा, इतना तो पता है ना. अच्छा, अभी इनके अलग अलग नाम है, मुझे तो सेम लगते हैं सब. जंकू, फुंकू, टुंकू, मिंकू. They are a rage. They are a rage. अपने को रफ़ी के अलावा क्या पता है यार. किशोर कुमार थोड़े से ज़्यादा, थोड़ा आगे जाएंगे तो अरिजीत, इसके अलावा कुछ पता नहीं. These guys have appeared on the cover of the which magazine? Time magazine. They worked a lot on mental health. They're very popular. Who knows what is anime? Yeah, very good. Young boys and girls, very good. Japanese? Japanese anime. Students watch that more than Bheem. Very important, no, when you see, unless in my house when these boys were small, I had to find what is the sentence which I have to utter so that they talk to me. So with my younger son, I should talk about films. Not that he's a film addict, but he analyzes films. And with the elder one, I spoke to them about cricket. तो फिर सब खुल जाता था. नहीं तो हम लोग क्या करते हैं, बेटा जिंदगी बड़ी कठिन है, कंपटीशन बहुत है, तुझे तेरे बाप जैसा बनना है. ये लोग बोलते हैं इन द एब्सेंस ऑफ द फादर्स. ऐसे कभी भी मत बोलना. बच्चों के सामने पिताजी को गाली मत देना, कंप्लेन मत करना. दे विल नॉट रिस्पेक्ट यू ऑल्सो. समझ गए ना? तुझे पता है, तुझे मैंने ही बड़ा किया. अरे सेल्स मल्टीप्लाई होती है, बड़े होते हैं बच्चे. सो इट्स इंपॉर्टेंट टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट नेवर अब्यूज फादर्स. तुम्हें क्या पता कितना मेहनत करते हैं ये लोग. देखो उसके चेहरे में क्रीज देखो कितना है. रात दिन मेहनत करते हैं तो पैसा आता है घर पे. बट एट द सेम टाइम मैन शुड अंडरस्टैंड that a homemaker, how many of you are homemakers? They're pure homemakers. Okay, how many of you are working ladies, working mothers? How many of you are none? कुछ लोगों ने हाथ ऊपर नहीं किया. My dear men, homemakers work twice as much as you. You should understand that. हाँ? बीबी है तो मुमकिन है. हाँ? हर हर बीबी. वो सेंटेंस को थोड़ा चेंज करो. हर हर बीबी. बीबी है तो मुमकिन है. एंड दोस हु आर वर्किंग work 3 times as much as the men. And this is something you need to acknowledge. You really need to acknowledge. The joke is the men are clapping but the women don't believe it. नहीं हम लोग ऐसा कुछ नहीं करते. तुमको क्या पता है? हम तो घूमते रहते हैं, लॉन्च में जाते हैं, ऐश करते हैं. Bill, they clap for you for the first time. You should clap for yourself at least, no? Clap यार. मजा नहीं आया. वॉल्यूम बढ़ाइए, वॉल्यूम बढ़ाओ, वॉल्यूम बढ़ाओ. हाँ, अब आया मजा. What is the most important thing about this lot of people? But one more thing. One more thing. They are not from IIT. They are not from IIT. So I'm not saying IIT is bad, but when somebody goes to those JEE classes because he likes JEE, मेरा choice है, please understand that 0.000, I have an article which I'll send it to you. I'll send it to Mr. Dinesh ji. Unless you have an aptitude for IIT, applied science, you cannot do JEE. Just because you got 101% in ICSE, which they give, they donate marks, na? Lo, marks lo, lo. Le lo. Jo chahiye wo le lo. You have to be careful. So many children get destroyed because they are sent to those classes without any. Now who is this? Rinku Singh, ठीक है. ये अच्छा इतना सब पता है ना. ये इनका असली नाम क्या है? असली नाम अब बताइए. अब बड़े विद्वान लोग हैं ना, मुझे सेवा इंटरनेशनल बोलते हैं आप लोग. अभी नेशनल है कि इंटरनेशनल चेक करेंगे. हाँ, असली नाम क्या है? रामतनु पांडे. आपड़ा पांडे जी पांडे. ओके, नाउ हु इज दिस? असली नाम क्या है? हाँ, इनको सेवा इंटरनेशनल का यहाँ का प्रमुख बना दो. Very rarely people answer this. Are you Mallu? No, very good. Nice, so nice. इनका असली नाम सबको पता है. देखो ना, चिन्मय जी का असली नाम नहीं पता था. ये कौन है? अब आया खेल का मजा. ये कौन है? नो पंजाबी या असी पंजाबी इनको छोड़ के. हाँ, तेग बहादुर जी है. अर्जन देव को किसने मारा? अर्जन जी देव जिन्होंने ग्रंथ साहब का स्टार्ट आदि ग्रंथ जो लिखा था, उनको किसने मारा? संजय राउत ने? नहीं, संजय राउत ने नहीं, जहांगीर ने मारा ना. तेग बहादुर जी को किसने मारा? उनके नाम पर क्या खड़ा है? शीशगंज गुरुद्वारा इन दिल्ली। ये कौन है चारों? इनको पता है? रतन जी को सब पता है? हाँ, साहिबजादे कितने? 4। क्या नाम है इनका? इनका इंपॉर्टेंस क्या इतिहास में? देखिए भाई, बच्चों को यदि रेस करना है तो जैक एंड जिल बोल के रेस नहीं करने का। हाँ, then what happened? They were buried in the walls and the elder brother started crying. Why? Because before him the younger brother died, he wanted to die first. ये नाम है उनका। It's cool to know Indian history. Civilizational awakening is happening. If you ignore it, you cannot sensitize the children. मैं तो सेंट जेवियर स्कूल में पढ़ा था, कुछ नहीं पता, 1 2 3 4 सिखाया वहाँ। Instead of saying yoga, teaching yoga, they did not teach me anything. How many of you from Saint Xavier's? Will you parle? नहीं, कोई नहीं है, because I mean, हाँ वो महाकाली वाला। अच्छा, so who is this? अब अग्रवाल जी, सब अग्रवाल, महेश्वरी जी, सब बताइए कौन है जी? इन्होंने क्या किया जी? महाराणा प्रताप। यही उत्तर मिलता है मुझे सब जगह। रॉन्ग है? नहीं यार, राणा प्रताप नहीं है। चेतक का नाम सुना है? क्या था, घोड़ा या घोड़ी? घोड़ा। उनको हल्दी घाट के बैटल में क्या हुआ? घायल हुआ। तब राणा प्रताप के मुकुट को लेकर झालामाना वहां लड़े और उन्हें प्राण अर्पित की। झालामाना के नाम पे 5 रुपए का स्टैंप मोदी जी ने स्टार्ट किया। I am not trying to say that I am not a civilizational narcissist. But the point is, unless you are proud of your own people, you can't build self-esteem of your children. And that's something very important. ये कौन है? इथे मराठी माणूस आहेत का? अरे वाह वाह, तालियां! चलते हैं तुम्हारे पर, ताली नहीं बजाते, तालियां! Which is that war? Pavankhand. Where is it? Near Kolhapur. It's a gorge where Baji Prabhu Deshpande allowed Shivaji to flee when things were bad and he gave his own life. अच्छा पिक्चर है, बच्चों को दिखाइए, आप भी देखिए। हर हर महादेव ऑन OTT। ठीक है? ये कौन है? महर्षि पतंजलि। ओके, ये किसने लिखा है? कालिदास। ये किसने लिखा? ये कौन है? अब आएगा खेल का मजा। आसाम का सीएम था। फिर हाँ, लचित बोरफुकान। Have you heard about the Ahom kingdom? How many of you have heard about the Ahom kingdom? What is the importance of Ahom kingdom? Mughals could not cross the east and they lost more than a dozen battles. Okay, which is very important for us to understand. ये कौन है? ये तो इन लोगों को नहीं पता चलेगा, ये थोड़ा पंकज मलिक, पता नहीं ना कौन है? साइंस टीचर था विद्यानिधि में, नहीं ना? पंकज मलिक वन द फोरमोस्ट सिंगर्स इन द इंडियन हिस्ट्री। ये कौन है? लास्ट मैम, ट्राई नो, ट्राई, जस्ट ट्राई। नहीं जी। Who discovered the atom? Who discovered the atom? Atom, Anu. Kanad Rishi. It's John Dalton. His name is there in the CBSE books, but his name is now come in the CBSE books. Anu, he is Vaisheshik Shastra का वो ऋषि था। Who's this? How many Jains here? हाँ, बताइए कौन है ये? नहीं, पार्श्वनाथ, वेरी नाइस, 23rd तीर्थनकर। ओके, ये क्या है बताइए? एनीबडी नोज व्हाट इज दिस? नमाज है? कैन यू पुट इट इन ऑर्डर? फजर इज फर्स्ट, फजर जोहर, असर, मगरिब एंड ईशा। तहज्जुद का जो है नमाज, दैट्स एट नाइट. कि कहाँ गए वो हमारे मिस्टर दिनेश जी? ये सब क्यों पिक्चर लगाए यार? पेरेंटिंग का अलग अलग स्टाइल्स है. आजकल गुस्सा बढ़ रहा है. रास्ते पर गाड़ी को कुछ किसी ने टच किया तो झगड़ते हैं. परिवार वालों को किसी ने टच किया तो कोई फिक्र नहीं करता है. सब जगह गुस्सा. प्लेन में परसों वो एयर होस्टेस को किसी ने मारा, या पायलट जब बाहर आया था उसको मारने पड़े. इट इज़ एन आर्टिफैक्ट ऑफ द 21st century. I have stopped watching TV news except when Ratan is there. Ratan Sharda is there. Otherwise, I don't watch. So the point is, irritability is a norm. And most of the time, it is because of less sleep, OTT, stories, and bhagdod. What has happened in this world is, हम भाग रहे हैं, पता नहीं क्यों, किसके लिए भाग रहे हैं. गति बढ़ती है तो गर्मी बढ़ती है, ऑर्केस्ट्रा बिगड़ जाता है. जो ऑर्केस्ट्रा से सुर आना चाहिए वो शोर आता है. एंड देन वी स्टार्ट ब्लेमिंग ईच अदर, एंड दैट इज समथिंग विच इज डिफिकल्ट. आई वुड सी माई फादर एंड मदर एट 5 o'clock gossiping about the entire village. Family that gossips together stays together. It's healthy. Indians are very keen to know what is happening in the other person's house, नहीं? ये healthy है. You save lives. समझो बिल्डिंग में कोई उतरा नहीं नीचे बहुत दिन से, और वो बेचारा वो दोनों उतरे ही नहीं, तो अचानक से कुछ तो गड़बड़ है. फिर जाके पूछते हैं ना क्या हुआ, आप जान बचाते हो किसी का. Being interested in somebody else's life also is very adaptive to save somebody's life. The point I want to make is, ask yourself, first is take a review from your children. बेटा हरीश शेट्टी आया था, नहीं ऐसे मत बोल, तो इम्पोर्टेंस नहीं. महर्षि हरीश शेट्टी आए थे, उन्होंने कहा इरिटेबल पेरेंटिंग भी होता है. आपको क्या लगता है? हाँ पापा तुम्हें बहुत गुस्सा आता है, मैथ्स में 99 मिला तो भी आपको गुस्सा आता है, 100 चाहिए बोलते हैं आप. इफ़ यू आर इरिटेबल, स्टॉप, थिंक, चेक योर बीपी, check your sugar, check your hemoglobin, check all your vitamins, check your glands, look at your sleep, and if nothing is the reason, there's no story, start exercising. Exercise dissolves fear, fears and anger. And yoga is cool, really cool. More American kids do yoga than Indian kids. Are you aware of that? It's not a retirement activity, for God's sake. Just a little pranayam, just a little breathing. My God. The sympathetic, how many doctors here quietly chup chup ke baithe honge? Don't ask me difficult questions. Sympathetic nervous system and the parasympathetic gets balanced. Mind and body gets balanced, and the entire mind, the body is synchronous with nature. It is so important to understand that just this breath work. And you know what Americans call this? Cardiac coherent breathing. अरे प्राणायाम बोलो ना, शर्म आती है क्या? And some psychologists, we are doing breath work. अरे प्राणायाम बोलो यार. It's cool to talk about India. Yeah, it's cool to talk about India. So no irritable. Instructional parenting. तुझे तो बोला है ना, तुझे करना पड़ेगा. If you remember this movie, how many of you remember this movie? Which one? नहीं, ये वेकअप का नहीं है. हाँ, ये वेकअप सिट का है. हाँ, इंस्ट्रक्शनल पेरेंटिंग. आजकल बच्चे इंस्ट्रक्शंस नहीं सुनते हैं. वो ज़माना गया व्हेन पेरेंट्स वर रिवर्स, श्रद्धा केंद्र, कभी झूठ नहीं बोल सकता है. इनकम टैक्स हर बार सही सही पे करता है. कहाँ पे करता है यार? नहीं तो मोदी इतना थोड़ी चिल्लाते हैं. गया वो रेवरेंस. इट्स इर्रेवरेंट नाउ. एंड रिस्पेक्ट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ आई से that when my father would shout at me, my trousers would get wet, my shorts would get wet, and we would sit like this in front of the father. Now, my kids would stand like this, and my trousers are only getting wet. The point is, reverence is gone. Now it's respect. I agree with you, but I don't agree with you on this. I agree with you. If I lose money, if my father has lost money in share market, we would say, Daddy, kya hua? 1 lakh rupees, 2 lakh rupees, 3 lakh rupees. 1 lakh rupees, 2 lakh rupees, 3 lakh rupees. 1 lakh rupees, 2 lakh rupees, 3 lakh rupees. 1 lakh rupees, 2 lakh rupees, 3 lakh rupees. 1 lakh rupees, 2 lakh rupees, 3 lakh rupees. 1 lakh rupees, 2 lakh rupees, 3 lakh rupees. 1 lakh rupees, 2 lakh rupees, 3 lakh rupees. 1 lakh rupees, 2 lakh rupees, 3 lakh rupees. 1 lakh rupees, 2 lakh rupees, 3 lakh rupees. 1 lakh rupees, 2 lakh rupees, 3 lakh rupees. 1 lakh rupees, 2 lakh rupees, 3 lakh rupees. 1 lakh rupees, 2 lakh rupees, 3 lakh rupees. 1 lakh rupees, 2 lakh rupees, 3 lakh rupees. 1 lakh ru Now, Daddy, you have no brains? So that is the change. Accept that. The paraphrasing has changed, but the love is the same. दादाजी दादी जी बोलेंगे indiscipline है, ये indiscipline नहीं, ये भी प्यार है. Proximity has increased. That's very important for us to understand. Number two, there's a two-way dialogue. If you are in SSC board, if your son is in SSC board, then you can instruct him, hey, पढ़ चल. वो सुनता है बेचारा SSC board वाला. ICSE वाला, do you think it's a good idea to study? IGCSE is still ahead. I think we need to really discuss whether studying helps reform and progress in life. Okay, if I ask you, if a 14-year-old fights with you and says, how did you clean my room without asking my permission? How will you respond? Chalo. How did you clean my room without asking my permission? How will you respond? 14-year-old. Chalo, bolo, फटाफट बोलो. I know, sir, you're right, but क्या है ये एरिया अच्छा है, लोग अच्छे हैं, तो 5 में नहीं होता होगा. 14. तो लग गई तुम्हारी. लग गई, समझ लो लग गई. 18 में तेरी वाट लगाएगा. हाँ, okay, different response. Anybody else? Yes? Why can't I? Okay. Your husband must be scared of you. Yeah. The point is, let us understand, you take IB education, nothing wrong, but don't change our parenting. Farak hai, boss. There are few rules and many guidelines. So when my son said, I want to eat in my room, it's my private space. ये private space का ऐसे लगता कान का नीचे तो बजाना चाहिए नहीं, पर हमने नहीं बजाया क्योंकि अपन शेट्टी है, बजाएंगे. हरीश शेट्टी नहीं बजाएंगे, डॉक्टर हरीश शेट्टी बजा ही नहीं सकते. तो मैंने एक बार मेरे बेटे का स्पेस मेरा है, एग्रीमेंट में नाम मेरा है. You may be having a space, but I can intrude. Under 18, don't keep a latch in the house, please. It is for safety, for the child safety. Nothing doing, you have to come. तो ऐसा रो के ऐसा भोपड़ा बना के आया, तो हम लोग हंसते हंसते खाए, कुछ प्रॉब्लम है. कुछ समय के बाद he started eating out. So nothing doing here. There are few rules and many guidelines, and that has to be followed. So it's important to understand that instructional parenting will only work during emergencies. 4-year-old runs on the beach. You can't say, why are you running on the beach, darling? You will get drowned. You can't say that. Hey, aata kya nahi? Ye to kine parat? That's what you have to say. So it's important that there has to be a dialogue, but the veto power is in your hands. Some things you have to be firm. No way. Cognitive parenting. You know how it is? Well, in all our families, our 3 guys are IITs. One is in Philadelphia, second is in Delhi. And that's how it is. And actually, sir, Dr. Shetty, we discuss heavy issues, real issues of the world in the family. And when we're having a lunch, we're trying to find ways by which the USSR-Ukraine fight can stop. फालतू families वाला पूरा दिन इधर ही चलता है उनका. Cognitive. Let's discuss whether Einstein was right or wrong. अरे जाना मर गया वो यार. न्यूटन ने तो 3 कानून देके crores of बच्चों की जिंदगी की बर्बाद की. I mean, एप्पल गिरा खा लो ना यार. और वो आर्किमेडिस साबुन डाल के निकाल बोलता ये वॉल्यूम वो वॉल्यूम मेरा ये वॉल्यूम क्या लगा के रखा है. So my dear friends, cognitive does not work. Your visiting card has to be dumped in the car when you enter. Many men, not here, these are good people, Seva Bharti. Many men, when they enter the house, they act as if the entire world is on their shoulders. They expect the wife to understand how bad it was in his workplace. Kaiko, wife is not your counselor. You better dump your bags, dump your visiting card, whoever you are, CEO, whatever you are, how does it matter? And start laughing without reason. Fathers who laugh without reason, they do a lot of good things to their children. Fathers who laugh without, नहीं हमको हंसी नहीं आती, हमारे घर में कोई हंसते नहीं, हम लोग सब बुद्धा योगा करते हैं, सब शांत हैं, हम लोग हंसते ही नहीं हैं. अरे मरोगे जल्दी नहीं हंसोगे तो. So it's important that you understand where you stand. My dear friends, authoritative parent, you know what it is. Okay. polarized parenting. I'll take the load, you do your work. मैं बच्चे को संभालूंगा, तुम अपना काम करो. नहीं चलेगा. इसने क्या कहा? जा जा मेरी बेटी को लेके जाओ. Remember the dialogue. If you, unless you are not seeing Hindi movies, I'm so sorry. Doesn't work, because ultimately it has to be shared. The father cannot be, the child cannot be a toy when the father comes. And most of the times, the boy or the girl, they create hassle. The mother says, you know how your mothers are very smart. बच्चे ने किया ना लफड़ा, तुम्हारी बेटियों ने क्या किया पता है? And if they score good marks, my daughter did well this time. Okay. Indulgent parenting, you know what it is. कुछ भी हो, कुछ मार किसी, मैं हूँ तेरे पीछे. हाँ, मैं हूँ तेरे पीछे, कुछ नहीं होगा जा. हाँ, no, you, I mean, he'll finish you. Empowered parenting. ये कौन है? ये कौन है यार? ये जान पहचान का आदमी लगता है. नहीं? Empowered parenting means few rules, many guidelines, constant dialogue. बेइज्जती नहीं करने का. नहीं बेइज्जत, बच्चे को बेइज्जत नहीं करेंगे. तुझे पता है तेरे सामने, because of you she insulted me in the open house. When a teacher insults somebody, it is she who gets destroyed, not you. Not you. Okay? It's extremely important to understand. When we go to the open house, first sentence would be, ma'am, you are really handling 40 children. In Jamna Bhai, kitna hai aajkal? 48 children. How do you do that? I can't handle my own. Thank you. And that works with all teachers. And how many of you have single child? Single children. I'm so unhappy and angry at you guys. Next year I'm going to come. मौसम अच्छा है, 2 होना चाहिए. हाँ, ये सब एक से नहीं चलेगा. 2 होना चाहिए. I mean, do whatever. Do whatever. I don't know what you have to do. But do whatever, okay? So empowered would mean that there would be mistakes, there would be issues, but you will never disrespect a child. What are the 4 emotional needs of children? 4 emotional needs of children. Acceptance, respect, love is not onion. अच्छे से बोलो, love. Love. Onion है क्या? Potato है क्या? और क्या है? 4th क्या है? हाँ? Company. No. You're all right, but I'm the resource person. I'll say, and what I say is right for today. First is emotional safety and security. कुछ भी होगा ना, बच्चों को लगेगा ये हमें ठोक ठाक के रिपेयर करके सही करेंगे. कभी कभी 2 साल जाएगा, 3 साल जाएगा, but I'll never ever give up on my child. Emotional safety and security. Those principles you say take LC and go, they are not principles. They are not principles. Schools and homes are a place where children have to be emotionally safe. कुछ भी करके ठीक करेंगे. समय खराब है, वो सुनता नहीं, फिर भी लगे रहेंगे, and we will see to it that our child is transformed. 3 things a kid needs. One is, I will never give up on you. Exams are easy. Exams are easy has been actually researched. When you say that, they do much better. Third is, life is beautiful. ये बोलते जाना चाहिए. अभिनय करते करते विश्वास आते. क्या होता है अरेंज मैरिज में? How many people have arranged marriage? हाथ ऊपर करो. हाँ, ज़्यादातर है. क्या होता है? आई लव यू बोलते हैं. पता है क्या कौन है वो, क्या है? After marriage, do you know the husband, wife well? But you practice I love you, and the love goes inside, it seeps in. Isn't it? Similarly, my dear friends, it is so important to tell your children, you are awesome. Life is beautiful, exams are easy, and I'll never give up on you. I never blame each other if children are doing badly. तो पूरी दिन घर पे बैठ के क्या करती हो? मैं मरता हूं तुम्हारे लिए. तो कुछ क्या हुआ? कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं. तो मैं मरता हूं, तुम I really toil full day and you can't even take care of one child. You should say I can't take care of one child. If there's 2, it's better. No, you cannot blame each other. You are partners in whatever is happening, and that is so important. My dear friend, you know what? How many of you believe कि बाप जैसा बेटा, माँ जैसी बेटी बेटा? How many of you believe all this bullshit? You believe in that? Come here. ऐसा आड़ा टेढ़ा बात करते हैं उसको सामने बुलाने का. अच्छा से फोकस करा कैमरा. Thank you for coming, sir. What's your name, sir? That film you made? Which film? Vipul Shah, Kantara, no? Which one? Kerala story, yeah. So why do you believe this?
Because of genes.
Okay. Okay, now I will tell you some new story, sir. Genes are not hardwired anymore. Epigenetics. You can write new programs in your child's era. Navi program. You know, some young boys and girls take advantage. बाप भी गुस्से वाला, मैं भी गुस्से वाला. अरे बंद कर, उसका environment अलग था, उनका माहौल अलग था, भी नया environment. So you can actually change the software. I'll tell you how. Epigenetics is the answer, okay? Epigenetics. Read about epigenetics, my dear friends. You learn a lot. नहीं बस ना, I feel lonely. देखो ऐसा है. How many of you are chupa chupa psychologists? I know, ma'am. Who else?
Myself.
Huh?
Myself.
तो ऐसा चुप क्यों? Psychologist आगे बैठना चाहिए. बिंदास. Our place is here.
I've been observing everybody's psychology.
The point is, if you have read the book Emotional Intelligence, you should read this book. Apart from reading Bhagavad Gita and Patanjali's Yoga Sutra, read this book. There's an experiment. It's a very famous, old experiment. ऐसे 150 लोगों को यहाँ बिठाया किसी ने, बच्चों को. मशमेलन क्या होता है मेरे को मालूम नहीं. अपन चॉकलेट बोलने का. Emotional intelligence. You should read this. That experiment is very old, 60s. You were told that if you want a chocolate, if you want it now, only one chocolate, and you can go. But if you wait for 1 hour, half an hour, you will get 2. So हमारे जैसा आदमी कौन रुकेगा इतना टाइम? एक निकल गए हम लोग. I mean, people like me, not him, people like me. But the others distracted themselves, waited, did so many other things not to look at the chocolate, and they took 2. They followed these kids across time. Those who waited had better lives, family lives, better occupational health, and better relationships. Teaching the children to wait for their turn. What to do? How many of your kids under 10? Okay, under 15? Under 25? Okay. There are a few, they will not put their hands up. They don't want to be called uncle and all. Bhai bulana chahiye. Okay, you have, huh? Okay, so now, what you should do in your house, simple experiments. Get the best food on Friday. Put it in the fridge. Let the kids know. Get the best food. Put it in the fridge. Let them all know. And this 4-year-old under 10, Mummy, then I'll not tell anybody. No, please, I won't tell anybody. Mummy, promise. You're my friend, no. And आजकल की मम्मी पिघल जाते हैं. पता नहीं क्या हुआ है तुम लोगों को. 2 बूंद आंसू गिरा तो तुमको तकलीफ होता है. My child was crying in the school. What did you do, teacher? अरे रोने दो यार. It's a good exercise. Let children cry. And if you hold them, no, Sunday afternoon, teaching them to wait for their turn. It's a big software you can put. Even at the age of 14, it's gone. Difficult, no? Because after they grow up, it's damn difficult, yeah? Damn difficult. But start very early. But try. You can use my name, Maharishi Harish Shetty had come. He gave us a beautiful experiment in the 60s, and you can do it. Allow them to experience small pain. यार मैथ्स में कम मार्क्स मिला तो मिला यार. कुछ लोग है 98 मिला तो 99 क्यों नहीं. हमारे शेट्टी लोगों में 50% मिला तो पार्टी होती है. Because we believe happy children. We want happy children will do so much in life. So much in life. Yaar, let them experience small pain. Let them experience, nothing will happen. No, I did not understand English. Oh, I sent you tuitions. I sent you so many classes. Is this what you have to? Don't understand. Jo bachcha ke khul ke bolta I don't understand, healthy child. Those kids who are scared to say unhealthy child. So it's important to help them experience small pain. कल 2-3 breakup हुआ तो भी कुछ नहीं होगा. और breakup होने वाला है. If your kids come and tell you, Ma'am, Dad is so cute. Bolo, oh really? Sit down. Educate them about breakups. Tell them falling in love, only one emotion, love. Breakup, so many emotions. Anger, sadness, jealousy, shame. Educate them not about love. Just because you guys have been in love and got married to the wrong man or the wrong woman, educate them about separation and breakup is normal. Normal young boy like him will have 3 breakups till the age of 25 and he become mentally strong. Yeah. अरे ब्रेकअप इज नॉर्मल. ब्रेकअप करके पत्थर दिल में. विच सॉन्ग इज दैट? दिल में पत्थर रख के उसको पत्थर मार के ब्रेकअप कर दिया. Teach them about love, but teach them also that this is common. This is common, and if something happens, I am there for you. Because ultimately, you cannot divorce your children. You can only divorce your husband. And children cannot get any parents from Amazon. Check. Amazon, send a dad. I'm tired of my dad. Milta hai kya? Innate love is more powerful than acquired love. Extremely important. My dear friends, share feelings with your child. It's a very big software. Those who share feelings, children will share feelings. मुझे बहुत गुस्सा आया, रात भर मैंने तुम्हें मैथ सिखाया, उधर जाके तूने गड़बड़ क्या किया यार, क्या किया तू? कितनी अच्छी माँ है. She shares her anger. Don't be like American parent. Well, it's so unfortunate that you really scored very less marks in maths because they're scared. 981, 991. What is it? 911. हाँ. भी यार गुस्सा आ रहा है यार. पूरा रात बैठ के मैं तेरे को क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन सिखा, उधर जाके क्या किया तूने? मुझे गुस्सा आ रहा है. Normal parents. And those who say, हाँ कर तेरे बाप का स्कूल है, कर तेरे बाप ने बहुत पैसा बनाया, कर, do it, you're a rich guy. Sarcasm, bad parents. Adjective, horrible child. He's like you. Most of the women abuse the husbands when the kids do badly. Poor guy, see how badly they are damaged. See, they all are wearing full shirts and all. So much trauma. So it's so important. Say, I'm upset with you, I'm sad, I'm happy, I'm so jealous. That boy, he scored more than I'm so jealous. Normal. If you share feelings, they share feelings back to you. There's a bonding. There's bond. When you share adjectives, there is distance. Start from today, but you'll say, हमारे गांव में, राजस्थान में हम कुछ फीलिंग्स नहीं बांटते हैं. हमारे पापा चलते थे, माँ उसके पीछे 15 फीट से चलती थी. अरे बदल गए यार, बदल गया सब कुछ. आम्ही 96 कोळी मराठा. आम्ही काय भावना व्यक्त करत, आम्ही नाही अंडरस्टँड मराठी. 2-4 है. छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज की. It's so important for your communication with children, feelings. With a wife, you can use adjectives. Horrible wife, I've not seen a wife like you. Husband, no, there also. And it's important to understand that you share feeling. Joy of giving. साल में एक बार हम ऑर्फनेज में जाते हैं, बर्थडे में. Useless. Partnership with God has to be every day. I don't know, some schools have stopped allowing kids to share their tiffin. I don't understand why. They said vegetarian food, non-vegetarian. अभी हम लोग इडली लेके जाते थे, सब लोग खाते थे. क्या दिन थे वो? I mean, joy of giving is so important, and it should start from the family. And actual giving is important without a photograph. And understand, my dear friends, ultimately you have to kindle the heart, make the heart kind in a world where hatred is growing. को टीवी में कुत्ता बिल्ली बोलते एक दूसरे को. रतन जी तो कभी नहीं बोले ऐसा, अनुभव है. ओ क्या बोला? सांप है बोला ना आपने. मोदी जी को किसने बोला यू आर अ स्नेक? क्या हो क्या रहा है यार? वी हैव टू चेंज दिस नैरेटिव. द मिडिल ग्राउंड इज गेटिंग लॉस्ट. When you actually help your child grow, let the middle ground grow. जहां संवाद है वहां संस्कार है, जहां संवाद है वहां संघर्ष है, जहां संवाद है वहां ताकत है. In your families, let there be debates and discussions where you respect. So first thing what a child needs is emotional safety, security. Second thing is trust. No, second thing is respect. Third is trust. And fourth is love. And what do you need from your husband? Four things. Same. Emotional safety and security. कुछ भी कर रहे हो तो ठोक टाक के ठीक करेंगे. Second is respect, trust and love. So this is very important, my dear friends. This software is very important. How many of you understood that? यार तो एक ही जगह से फोटो निकलता है, घूम घूम के निकालना, थोड़ा अलग अलग, पीछे आगे, उधर ही खड़ा रह के मेरा फोटो निकलता है, लेफ्ट से ले, राइट से ले, साइड से ले. सर कम सर कम. यस सर, यू ग्रीन. तुम, मेरा उंगली आपके प्रति है यार, आ जाओ ना. हाँ, मुझे क्यों बुलाया? ऐसा ही मेरा मूड है. आओ आओ, आ जाओ. हाँ, इधर आना है. आओ यार. इधर आएगा तो फोटो निकलेगा, सेवा इंटरनेशनल के एनुअल जो मैगजीन में तुम्हारा फोटो आएगा. आइए. क्यों बुलाया? आइए ना. क्या नाम है सर आपका? बच्चे कितने हैं? अभी मैरिड? अच्छा. क्या प्लान है? एक की दो? बट इफ यू मैरी वन और टू. अच्छा, ही इज गुड, इज टू. अभी टू लेता है. एंड इफ यू डोंट वांट टू कॉन्टेस्ट इलेक्शंस एंड यू डोंट वांट एनी जॉब ऑफ अ गवर्नमेंट, 3. Look at this, sharing bad news early. What do you infer from this? Anybody else? Abhay, you will say something on this. Anybody else? Yes sir, yes ma'am. But how will he say it? वो क्यों आके आपको बताएगा? स्कूल में भी ये होते हैं ना. Ask all the teachers, if you have any problem, come and tell me. What she says in her mind, if you have any problem, you tell me. Unless the parents share their bad news openly at home, children will not share. Age appropriate. Thank you, sir. तो वो शादी में जाएगा तो बोलेगा 2 है तो आ जाने, तो नहीं शादी करो. थैंक यू अभय. Your full name अभय? खंडेलवाल, ठीक है. So now bad news. Unless the mother says, यार आज क्या मैंने क्या किया, वो पूरा खराब हो गया. क्या था? कुछ था, गंगोर था ना तुम लोगों का? गंगोर क्या किया आपने? सत्तू बनाते, क्या करते हैं? कुछ तो बनाते हैं. Oh my God, I really screwed it up very badly. Honest. Oh, father says, sick man, I don't know how I gave my wife's brother 12 lakhs. He's never given back. Very common story, yeah? साले को पैसे देना और वापस नहीं आने. देखो मार खाई. हरे कृष्णा. मार खाया आपने, बहुत मार खाया ये पैसे देकर. See the way he's laughing. He's not 15 lakhs का नहीं laugh, ये 1 crore का laugh है. So my dear friends, I'm speaking in a very lighter tone because ultimately if you have to learn, you have to laugh. I hate those Amitabh Bachchan teachers in colleges. Parampara, Pratishtha और अनुशासन इस गुरुकुल के 3 नियम है. You might not have seen the movie, you don't know this. मोहब्बत है. That was a film which brought Amitabh Bachchan back from his penury. अरे यार, if you start showing your vulnerability, which is normal for all of us, we can't be on the top all the time. बोले यार गड़बड़ हो गया आज ऑफिस में, मैंने किसी को बहुत चिल्लाया, गलत था. अरे पापा भी गलत करते हैं, कभी कभी होता है. And it's important, my dear friends, to put this early in life. Okay, but if they say sorry, let it come from their heart. Sorry means change. There has to be change. Trust means faith and growth, and that is very important. My dear friends, let's talk about love. Love. What is love? What is love? पल पल तेरे साथ मैं पागल हो जाऊंगी. All that bullshit, na? Hindi film bullshit, English film bullshit, all crap. Teach your children, I want you but I can live without you. What does that mean? I love myself first so that I will not be cut into 35 pieces. I will not fall in love with a jerk. Children who accept their body exactly as it is are more complete. Teach them to, I am tired of these young little girls, I'm fat, 48 kg, 5 feet 6 inches, and they say, I'm fat. The influence of media is so strong, my dear friends. Teach them to accept their body exactly as it is. And nobody here is similar to the other. 8 billion characters that God makes. God is the champion of diversity, man is the champion of structure. Can I say something to you? You can never be Hema Malini. Got it? I am not finished, there's a comma. Hema Malini can never be you. And that is what you have to teach your children. Accepting their body exactly as it is. Otherwise, they will hold the twig of the branch and think it's the bark of the tree and fall. Teach them self-worth very early. But don't make them addicted to praise. तो अच्छा क्या स्टार दो झक मार के बहुत ज़्यादा स्टार मत देना. हाँ? Teach them to accept their body. क्यों? क्योंकि शम्मी कपूर का एक गाना है. तू नोट्स लिख के कहाँ क्या करेगा उसको? इम्प्लीमेंट करेगा कि पुस्तक में रहेगा? दिवाली के साफ सफाई में वाइफ पूछेगी पुस्तक कोणाचं? शेट्टी से फेकून दे. Teach your family to accept their body, the color. What? No, never make fun of their size, color, nothing. Yeah, वो है अपना ही है यार. So important. If you put that imprint early in life, Vedas say that you can imprint children early in life. Osho says that. Freud also said that. Early age, between 0 to 10 and 11, you have imprints, not information. It settles. So many women come at the age of 45 with 1 or 2 thoughts which they said. My grandmother said, you are karpu. How many are Tamil? Tamil irkaenge? Acha. Karpu. And lifelong, they have been serving everybody to make people accept them exactly as they are. Teach them to sing this song. It's not very cool to sing this song. तारीफ करूं क्या उसकी जिसने मुझे बनाया. That is very important. So love is, I love myself first. I love myself first. Nothing doing here. नहीं मेरा नाक तो क्या? Argue with God. 5 मिनट argue करो. नाक क्यों ऐसा बना? यार, how you feel defines how you look. If you teach your children how you feel defines how you look, you have won the game. You have won the game. That is one software that will help them to choose the right boyfriends most probably. And if they choose the wrong ones, they'll come and hug you and say that, Daddy, Mommy, save me. And that is important. And tell them love has birth, growth and death. Yeah. Love can have birth, growth and death. What do you feel? You look very numb and you... Am I echoing your thoughts? No. No. It's normal. And there is no complete closure to any relationship. Left ventricle के apex में 5th standard का boyfriend, थोड़ा ऊपर 8th standard का. Okay. And teach your children never die for a guy. When I mean guy, it's both genders. Now, what is this RRR? Well, it's not an English movie. What is it, darling? Huh? If you're in India, also don't be globally wise, but be locally smart. I still remember close to this place there's a school. I'll not tell the name. They came and told me, choose the best student in our school, and they gave me 4 names. I told them, your car has not come. Buses are not there. Rickshaws are not there. Which bus, BST, will take you home? Gottilla. Then I said, after Vile Parla, name 4 stations. Then I said, at least name one or two saints of Maharashtra. They did not know. They knew MUN, Model United Nations, nothing wrong. But locally unaware. I said, I will not give anybody any prize. You do what you like. I left the place. My dear friends, RRR, doctor, you can't let me down. You've not seen this movie? So what is RRR? Rice, chawal, rise, roar and revolt. But I have not come to say this. I have come to say 3 cardinal words in your life of your child. Resilience, lauchikta, Marathit. Hindi mein pata nahi. Now everybody can't be resilient all the time. Resilience and fragility can coexist. But yaar, बच्चों में इधर बेटा, इधर तेरे को जबरदस्ती फोर्स करके लाया when you actually have to play with your friends. And you're abusing me under your breath. And you're wearing a nice glasses. Which is this glasses? Which come? That's famous Lenskart. जोर से बोलना. Lenskart has given a challenge to Ray-Ban. Fogg has given a challenge to Axe. Vim gave a challenge. Rin gave a challenge to Vim. Lot of Indian entrepreneurs. Teach them about them. Okay. How many of you see movers and shakers? Shark Tank, Shark Tank. Yeah. सभी मारवाड़ी उधर भी. और शार्क भी मारवाड़ी, आने वाले भी मारवाड़ी. तुम लोगों में क्या है यार? किधर गए वो लोग? You have something very special, honestly. So my dear friends, when your father has to buy something, what did he buy last for the house? You don't know. You stay in the house, no? Huh? Did he buy something for the house? Your mother has come? Okay, so your gang, no? Father and son gang. When I say resilience, make the child part of decision making in the house. You may not agree with him. Sit down and whatever you do, little things, please make him a decision partner. Number 2, you expose him to struggles. Every family has a struggle. Mother-in-law is unwell, grandparent is very sick, money is lost, there's a war between daddy and uncle. As far as possible, expose him to struggle, not by scaring. तुझे पता है तेरे चाचा ने मम्मी ने कितनी वाट लगी? ऐसा नहीं. अच्छा मैं बदला लूंगा. ऐसा नहीं. You have to be very, very mindful and say, my son, this is what we are facing, but we will find an answer to this. And then he will share his feelings, how he feels. Then you don't antagonize him against his uncle. That is so many people, नफरत के वारिस. मैंने मेरे भाई से 20 साल नहीं बात किया. ऊपर जाके बात कर. ऊपर वो नहीं बात करेगा, तुम बात करना चाहो तो भी. Let them be part of the struggle so that they understand that tomorrow if there is a breakup, they will face it. Resilience. 3, all the softwares which builds resilience. So exposing the child. So my father used to say, lafde mein girne ka. During my time, all the parents would say, sir, सीधा जाके सीधा आने का. कुछ भी हुआ, कोई मरा जिया, कोई फिल्म का शूटिंग हुआ, देखने का नहीं. My father did not say this. If you see somebody on the road, call up, tell your teachers or whoever so that you help them. If you make them a part of the struggle, their resilience will increase. Thank you, beta. आवाज करना, तेरा नाम क्या है? जोर से बोलना. इतना ही चिल्लाता है. जोर से चिल्ला. ठीक है. निशा आलिया भट्ट. Nishalya. My dear friends, teach your kids to work in teams. Gone are the days when there's one person. No films have one hero, multi-starrer. No restaurants have one owner. No panel has one panelist. Teach your children to be in teams. And what is very important also, every family will have a fall. Once in 3 years. Earlier it was once in 5 years. Teach your children to repair and come back. Repair and come back. Come back. And that is something which we can all do if you are पेरेंटिंग इज एम्पावर्ड. माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, बच्चों का सेल्फ बिलीफ अच्छा होने के लिए सिविलाइजेशनल प्राइड होना है. सिविलाइजेशनल इलिटरेसी है. अजंता एलोरा किधर है? किधर है वो? मालदीव्स में? नहीं नहीं, मालदीव्स में नहीं होगा वो, शायद मॉरिशस में. अजंता एलोरा किधर है? किधर है? नहीं, संभाजी नगर में. हाँ, संभाजी नगर में. हाँ, थोड़ा चेंज करो. दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके. Civilizational ridicule leads to inferiority. Well, there's nothing there. We are still a developing country and we have no culture, you know. Nothing. I mean, Alexander Fleming discovered penicillin, not Charak and Sushruta. Stop this here. Stop this. Stop this. It's important to understand India में क्या रहा है. अरे, we are a growing nation. If you go to America, you'll enter a slot and work. But if you're in India, you'll create a slot. Nothing wrong in going. There is no brain drain. It's brain gain. Nothing wrong in going. You should go and learn anything and everything from everybody. Send your children and see that you learn anything. And there is no brain drain. Civilizational narcissism. अपना ही मैच अपना ही संस्कृति. No. Narcissism. Me 24 tas. No, that doesn't help children. Now, what is this emotional triad? And I'm going to stop very soon so that you can ask me your questions. મોટા બેન, તમે અહીંયા આવો ને, મમ્મી સામે આવે ને થોડું, આવ ને, आई અને आइए ना, मुझे आपकी इच्छा है ये आने. नहीं ये नहीं. हाँ, उनको सब कुछ मालूम. इधर आइए बहन जी, इनका छोड़ दीजिए. ये जो महिलाओं को कुछ नहीं मालूम बोल के तुमने उसको दबा के रखाइए. दादी है या नानी है? दादी आओ, दादी आओ. दादी को बुलाएंगे अभी. कितना इंटरेस्ट है फॉर अ पैटर्नल ग्रैंड मदर टू कम एंड सिट इन अ प्रोग्राम. माइक देना. क्या नाम है बहन जी आपका? नाम क्या है? इंद्रावती देवी. कहाँ के हो? नहीं, पार्ले ने, गोरखपुर में जाके आया पिछले साल. यूनिवर्सिटी में मेरा लेक्चर था. वाइस चांसलर ने, बहुत अच्छा शहर है. और मैंने योगी जी का मंदिर में भी गया. हाँ, मैं गया. आप मुझे बताइए. हाँ, मैं गया. आपका वो बच्चा, आपका पोता है?
हाँ, पोता है.
और वो आया जो कैप पहन के आया,
वो मेरा लड़का है, इसी में तो पढ़ा था.
विद्यानिधि का बच्चा है. अच्छा, बहुत सुंदर. अच्छा, आप मुझे बताइए, आपका कुछ राय लेना है मुझे. आप राय देंगे? कुछ पूछना है. ऐसे मत समझो अंग्रेजी बहुत बोलते उनको सब कुछ पता है. हमारी माँ भी आप जैसी थी, होशियार है. अभी भी 87 ईयर्स की है, अभी मेरी कान पकड़ती है. आप बताइए बहन जी, ये बच्चे को इन लोग क्यों इतना मारते हैं?
वो बच्चों लोग को इतना बुद्धि सिखाते हैं लोग की.
हाँ,
बुद्धि सिखाने के लिए मारते हैं लोग. जो बच्चों लोग को बुद्धि सिखाएंगे तो आगे मैं बढ़ेंगे ना.
हाँ. आपने आपके बच्चों को मारा था?
नहीं, मैं नहीं मारा था अपने बच्चों लोग को.
नाउ लिसन टू ऑल दिस यू मदर्स. ये हाथ है ना, ऐसा चलेगा ना, प्रेशर आपके हार्ट में आएगा, उसका आत्मविश्वास टूटेगा. आज से जब ऐसे हाथ चलता है तो क्या सोचेंगे? महर्षि शेट्टी आए थे. जो हॉरिजॉन्टल हाथ है ना, वो वर्टिकल घुमाना. साला अभी तक मारता था, सब सही चलता था. ये हरीश शेट्टी आने के बाद दिमाग खराब किया. आप क्यों नहीं मारे उनको? आप क्यों नहीं मारते थे आपके बेटे को?
बच्चों लोग को मैं अपने दुलार से नहीं मारता है बच्चे लोग का.
नहीं ना. देखो ना, विदाउट अटेंडिंग एनी अवेयरनेस टॉक, सी द विजडम. माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, CEOs are not born in MBA schools. They are born in families and in schools. When there's a discussion and the middle ground is explored. My son, horrible fellow, he wanted that thing which they play on the TV. What is that? PlayStation. I said no. We argued for 2 years. I did not insult him. I did not hit him. My wife said, 2 कान का नीचे बजाना, क्या है ये सब लंबा चौड़ा करता है. इसे नहीं नहीं डैडी वो क्या है ना मेरा फ्रेंड पे वो खेलता है ना तो उसके मार्क्स बढ़ गए. क्या क्या नहीं बोला वो. He argued and discussed. मेरे को ऐसा वो चूना लगाने का कोशिश कर रहा था. But I did not hit him, I did not insult him. CEOs are born in families and in schools where there is discussion, debate and respect. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा कि आपने कहा हमारे दुलार को हमने कभी नहीं मारा. बहुत सुंदर. इनकी इच्छा है. बोलिए. और कुछ बोलना है?
नहीं और कुछ नहीं बोलना है. मेरे को सब
अपने बेटे को बोलो उस पोतों को मारने का नहीं तो वंस अपॉन
जो मारना मत
बोले ना.
हाँ
नहीं तो वंस अपॉन अ टाइम इन मुंबई पिक्चर में क्या कहा था बच्चे ने, मैं जवान हो जाऊंगा तब तुम बूढ़े हो जाओगे, पटक दूंगा तुमको अनाथ आश्रम में, है ना. हाँ तालियां. जय जय जय. I have said this just to repeat feeling. Where is this fellow, Mr. Dinesh ji? Dinesh ji, if I say, Dinesh, thank you for inviting me. How's the sentence? Good? Can I improvise a sentence? I'm so happy to be here. Which is better? Happy to be here. So when your husband comes home, you say, I'm so happy that you're back. He'll faint. Don't try this today. No adjective and no sarcasm. Okay. यार ये सब क्या डाल के रखा है यार, ये सेवा इंटरनेशनल का लेक्चर है, ये सब क्या लगा के रखा है यार. Anyway, my dear friends, there are many women here who don't get angry. They have been trained. पराया घर जाओगी, इज्जत रखना, हम बड़े घर के लोग हैं, कोणाला काय असं बोलायचं नसते. And when you stop your anger, resentment, I feel like slapping my in-law. But I can't. Very horrible women are sitting here. You know what? Then what do? You keep quiet. Property का papers किधर है देखते हैं, बाद में 1 साल के बाद attack. Now, what is important is be aware of your anger is a positive emotion. Aggression is a negative state. Anger management. What is anger management? Anger is energy. Sri Ravi Shankar said this. If I quote somebody, you'll feel I'm intelligent. It is energy, pure. Now, I'll leave you. Do you ever get angry at your neighbor's husband?
No, not at all.
Don't lie.
No, I don't.
Come here. Don't lie. She's lying. Your husband is not come, no? Okay, come. No, you don't get angry at all. Do you ever get angry at your own husband?
All the time.
Yeah. She never gets angry at her neighbor's husband because लेना देना नहीं यार. कुछ लेना देना नहीं. How are you, uncle? Khalas. Husband, where were you? I called you 12 times and your phone was engaged. She gets angry at her husband. Why? Why, sir? No. Why? This is not the pose you should keep. This is the psychiatrist pose. We take $50 per hour. Like this. Why? She's angry with the husband. Yes, sir. Why, sir?
There are certain expectations you know.
No expectations, sir. वो बोलती है अपने पति को पर बहुत गुस्सा करती है, क्यों? पता नहीं. Attention. No, she gets angry with the husband because she loves him. Pure anger is love. So it's a great thing for all the women. Go back and shout at him. This is love. Maharishi Harish Shetty had come. But pure anger is love. It is transient. It comes and goes. Malicious anger is not love. Irritability is anger in motion. Very important to understand. So resentment is like a cup of poison. I drink and expect him to die. He's having beer. You are angry. What the hell? Okay. Now, how many of you cry easily? Kids. How many kids cry easily? How many of you say, I don't cry? मर्द को कभी दर्द नहीं होता है. How many of your husbands cry easily? Husbands. How many of your husbands cry easily? No? Cry? Where does he cry? In the room alone or in your hug? In your bosom? Where does he cry? Huh? In front of the family. Husband cries, no? Come here. Though it's nice, it's a very good thing. How many of you cry easily in the house? Easily. Ratan to rote hain ji. Very nice. That's a great habit. Okay? Never stop anybody from crying. Huh? It's a bad habit. Do you stop them from when they laugh? You don't stop them when they laugh. Why the hell should you stop them from crying? And people who stop others from crying are those who feel they will break down now because they have not cried for too long. मत रो यार, पानी ले. ऐसी वो पानी पी को इधर आता है, इधर नहीं आता है वो पानी, वो इधर जाता है. अरे crying is supposed to be a balancing act for the mind. And in COVID, people who did not cry will suffer all their life. जो बह गया वो पानी है, जो रह गया वो जहर है. Come here. You encourage him to cry. रोना. Husband को encourage करते रोना.
मतलब if you feel better then cry it out.
How did it start? After you whacked him once.
I wish.
I wish she said, I wish. क्या word? भाई तुम कौन हो या दिनेश जी? कैसे कैसे लोगों को इकट्ठा किया तुमने? My dear friends, I lost 2 people in COVID, my aunt and my brother, and I was crying like a little child. I picked up my aunt's body alone with my nephew, and we had to cremate. We were crying like little children. And it's not true that the head of the family has to comfort everybody. That's wrong. We don't want Qadar Khan as the heads of the family. Heads of the family who are very vulnerable, they set a great value for the family. So I have learnt across time. That day it was a great value, a great awakening for me. Eureka! An 8-year-old child can comfort an 80-year-old. A 20-year-old woman can comfort a 40-year-old. A 40-year-old can comfort a 15-year-old. It is democratic. Consoling is democratic. Anybody can console anybody. But what happened after COVID is something very bad. If the husband has died, the mother would not cry in front of the child because child will start feeling bad. Child would not cry in front of anybody because I don't want to hurt the mother. Or hurt everybody and get healed. Family that cries together stays together. Extremely important. And we don't want any Qadar Khans. I still remember that film of, I think this guy, that's wife of Madhuri Dixit and her husband. I don't know what film is this. The husband says like this, Madhuri Khan. That's the only film where they show husband, wife, and the wife holding the hand. And he says, "Tum patni ho, pati banne ka koshish mat karo." And she says after a pause, you know how she talks? "Tum pati ho, Bhagwan banne ka koshish mat karo." We don't want gods in the house, enough. 30 crore gods and one big god. 130 crore Hindustani. One big god. Arey yaar, rolo yaar. Rolo yaar. Huh? I mean, sometimes you should cry when you feel like. Why did you cry? Kya hua? Kuch nahi, I feel like. Do you apologize when you laugh? Kyun haste ho yaar? Kabhi suna hai? So this is very important. Thank you, ma'am. Who's your husband, by the way? तुम ऐसा उसको रो के उल्लू बनाता है ना? मैं 4 दिन नहीं आने वाला हूँ. My dear friends, as I slowly stop, I would like to ask, what is the biggest need of a human being? What is the greatest need of a human being? Love. And what is the greatest skill of a human being? No, to be aware of small doses of love. When your mother comes and cooks for you something new, do you pay attention to the mother or to the food?
Both.
What do you tell your mother? Don't lie, sachi bol.
Food was good.
And what else? That's enough? Come here. Budding psychologist. No, ऐसा नहीं, शेट्टी का बुलावा है. बांद्रा ईस्ट का बुलावा नहीं, वो तो बंद हो जाएगा बुलावा, उसका भी इलेक्शन के बाद खत्म हो जाएगा वो. You know, beta, when your mom gives you food, it's so nice of you to say that the food was good. What else you think you should be saying?
Thank you.
something more. Mothers are never appreciated. No sick leave, no paid leave, no gratuity. What the hell, yaar? Mothers, umpires, and constables. It's important to actually thank the mother profusely. So what? How will your sentence change?
Thank you, I appreciate.
You took so much effort, no, mummy? And look into the eyes of your mother and say it genuinely. Make this a habit. To be aware of small doses of love is man's greatest quality. As I stop, my dear friends, I have stopped. Now questions. Anybody? आइए गुरुजी. कहाँ गए हमारे आप दिनेश जी? Any questions quickly? And then I leave. Yes, ma'am. Have you played cricket? Have you played cricket? You played cricket? Okay, okay. Mic देना. ये दे देना.
My name is Namrata
Namrata?
Tatia.
Okay,
I'm a
बोलो.
Marwadi
Huh?
Jain. I'm a Marwadi Jain.
Well, lovely.
Just in case.
They say no, if you give 1 rupee to a Shetty, it becomes 0 at the end of the day. If you give 1 rupee to a Gujarati, it becomes 3 after 2 days. If you give 1 rupee to Kachchi, it becomes 5. Sindhi 8, but a Marwadi Jain, 1 becomes 100.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
So I had this question. So I'm coming from that generation where we were, when we first became parents, when we first became parents,
Yeah.
there was this concept of say and do. So
Say
what-
and do.
Say and do.
Huh.
Whatever you're doing, say it to your child. I'm doing this, we are doing this. But as they grow, so just to give you a background, I have a 14 and a 12-year-old, 14-year-old son and a 12-year-old daughter at
Third
home.
will be.
Mm.
Okay, go ahead.
So, sir, let me just be quick in asking you. So, my question is that in this whole process of say and do and making them explain why are we doing certain things with them, अभी मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा है कि घर है ना थोड़ा सा कोर्ट रूम पार्लियामेंट जैसा हो गया है.
ये बंद करो आज से. बैठो बैठो
How?
बंद कर
Yeah.
दो बंद कर दो. से एंड डू कौन सिखाए सब? अपने यहाँ नहीं हुआ ना ये प्रोग्राम से एंड डू वाला? अपने यहाँ बैठो. But partly it is right. I'll tell you my personal story. My elder son, he's sitting here. One day he entered the building with a cigarette in his 2 fingers. ऐसा. I parked my car. मेरा ध्यान उधर गया. अत्तमा जी. First I'm a Shetty, no. डॉक्टर तो बाद में ना. सटक गया मेरा. बोला साला. And then all the Oxford, Hindi, Marathi, Gujarati. But I said, I am also Harish Shetty, I am Dr. Harish Shah. ऊपर चला गया. वाया नहीं डैडी मेरा नहीं था, it's actually not mine, my friends. मैं बोला मेरे को चूना लगाने का नहीं. I kept quiet. Then I told him I want to say something to you. I just told him this. This is not done. No explanation. Not done, beta. Sleepovers every day not allowed. Big message there for everybody. So sometimes you have to put your foot down. Children learn through imitation. There's no need to explain everything. तुझे पता है हमने आज सभी को क्यों बुलाया? क्योंकि हरीश शेट्टी आए थे, फैमिली साथ में होना चाहिए. अरे यार, osmosis, osmotic learning is also very important. Sometimes you have to explain, but everything if you say and do, there is argument, and sometimes kids argue when they're in age. That's okay. That's okay. Teenagers का अलग बात है. Sometimes you have to be firm, and there's no need to explain everything. हमारे यहाँ रामनवमी आ रही है. रामनवमी हमारे यहाँ रामनवमी का पूजा होता है. You have to come. Nothing doing. समझा क्या? हाँ. Now one sec. They will come reluctantly. सब कुछ तर्क से नहीं होता है. Did you logically understand to get married? Did you know this guy? How horrible he is? Do you know him? I know him. नहीं यार. Sometimes the children, I'll tell you a joke. 4-year-old kids and the parents, Dr. Shetty, please help me to remove the phone from his hand. What the hell? सेवा इंटरनेशनल है. अनिल जी मुझे घूर घूर के देख रहे हैं. I told them, what the hell? I don't blame the child at all. This is not a pacifier nor a distractor. No means no. But he'll jump and shout and scream outside the room of the doctor. Let him. Don't be ashamed. Emotional tantrums are necessary to instill a value. Tantrum kare, some kids sleep on the mall and they go up and down. Like this, our Tamilians do anga pradarshan, no? They go walk up and I tell mothers, don't be ashamed. इकट्ठा आएंगे तो बोलो, ये मेरा बेटा है, उसने iPhone मांगा, मैं नहीं दूंगा. iPhone is largely overpriced. They're making a fool of us. 1 + 1 is a better phone, poor man's iPhone. Yes, don't be ashamed. Dadaji, Dadiji, nothing doing. You have heard the lecture of Maharishi Harish Shetty. Nana, Nani out. And then when he knows that this behavior will not yield any results, he gets up. There is no need to interrupt a tantrum, exhaust them. No jokes. That's how a value is built. But what happens? One of you gets 9, then you give. Rolo, yaar. नहीं मैं टीवी का रिमोट टीवी पे हाथ पकड़ के बैठो. You start that at the age of 2 to 4. You can't do it beyond 8. Do you understand? Sorry, mommy. Some are smart. मैं खाना नहीं खाऊंगा जा. No problem. Don't go, and you mothers please understand. एक दिन खाना नहीं खाते कुछ नहीं होता. जैन साधु लोग 200 दिन उपवास करते हैं. हाँ, उस दिन अच्छा खाना बनाओ. Let the fragrance go. No, I'm not joking. This is serious. And you all eat full food and don't give him access to any dry snacks. And for your understanding, understand food for a child. Huh? No processed food. The large number of illnesses which you have is because of processed food. And how to bring interest in the kid in your kitchen? You may have 10 servants, but association with food improves acceptance of home food. What do? Take him to buy vegetable. You may have 10 servants. Let him argue with the bhaiya. Nowadays it's pav kilo, no? They say 50 rupiya pav kilo. I don't understand this concept only. Let him talk, let him look, let him learn, let him feel the vegetable. किधर time है, tuition कितना है, मालूम है? Classes कितना है, drawing class है, नाच class है, dance class है. अरे यार, association is when you go and buy food. You feel the food. You bring back, put it in the fridge. Even a small 2-year-old can do the juicer. Make him part of the process of the kitchen. Association with food improves acceptance. Number 2, teach your children to help their mothers at home. Right from now. Teach your kids, teach them life 50%, curriculum 50%, life 50%. Teach them to pray. Prayer is a must. Ram Raksha ho, jo bhi नौकर मंत्र हो, अल्लाह का नमाज हो, कुछ भी, प्रे. Start at the young age, make it fun. Gayatri, जो भी है, teach them to touch the feet of the parents very early in life. It is scientific, nothing to do with religion. When the children bend, now not the Punjabi, hey, पाए लागू, तू मेरा 50 लाख रुपया नहीं दिया तो क्या हो गया? No, पंजाबी टाइप में, तमिलियन टाइप, अपना टाइप, दोनों हाथ से माँ पिताजी का पैर छूना. What happens? Humility. And the parents bend down and pick them up, bonding. These are the small things which will help in a difficult world. And at the same time, remember grandparents, you may not like them. Alzheimer's, dementia, depression, but still never talk against grandparents with the child, never. And these are the small things we should do with all children. And also remember, COVID has taught us something very big. You know what it is? Tell me what it is. Huh? Like what? If everybody is safe, I am safe. The biggest lesson of COVID. So if I love everybody, I love my child better. Let them play with their friends. Let them get hurt. Matti lagne do. Sofa should be spoiled. I don't want your house in a display mode. Imperfect wife is a happy marriage. Honestly. Baddu, etla saaf badda, anya suche. Go to her house. What a house she has got. Arey, she is, you know what she is? Completely. No, yeah, imperfect wife is a happy marriage. So these are the small things. Yes, ma'am. You are speaking about?
Sorry.
Yeah.
Uh,
Please put your hands up properly. Yes.
Doctor, you're talking about children up to the age of 8. Now, I have a 13-year-old boy. And
I'll tell you the secrets.
Please.
Only one. Only one?
Yes.
Oh, then you're staying with your husband
Yes.
and others?
No.
Okay. And which school is in?
Jamnabai.
Hey, This looks like a Jamnabai PTA, Parent Teacher Association. Anyway, it's a good school. Both my sons are from the same school. And then what is the issue?
Doctor, he is very badly hooked on to video games.
महिला मंडल अपने त्याग के घोड़े से उतर जाओ, जिंदगी की मोमबत्ती दोनों बाजू से मत जलाओ, क्योंकि imperfect home is a healthy abode, imperfect kitchen is a happy house. एक भांडी रहा है तो कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, कल साफ करेंगे. imperfect mother is a happy wife. कितना खुश है औरत लोग. imperfect wife is a happy marriage. Okay. This is the latest. My dear friends, America has gone against America. Many states of America have filed federal court cases against Facebook and Instagram. Mark Zuckerberg, क्या नाम है उसका? Zuckerberg, उसका पैंट उतारा था परसों, कुछ दिन पहले. But there's a federal court cases because they've said you are profiteering on the children's depression, anxiety and suicide. It's a big problem. Number one. Number two, UNESCO has said recently in the report, 1 out of 4 countries have said that they don't want, they curb the gadgets for children, and they also did it by law or by advice. Social media and youth, read this, all these are available on the net. In Surgeon General of America, apra Indian che, Telugu, Cheppandi. इधर कोई है चप्पू है? Okay, so that man is Dr. Vivek Murthy. He is the Surgeon General of America. He has written this document. It is a dangerous scene in America. We need a movement against gadgets, mindful use of gadgets, not a campaign, a movement. In Maharashtra, in a village which is known as Mohite Vadgaon in Satara, parents came together and they created a rule, when the bell rings, आप सभी gadget बंद करेंगे, बच्चे पढ़ेंगे. They did that successfully. So unless there's a movement, things will go bad. But for your own son, start negotiating. Dekh beta, every day, let us say Thursday, free gadget day. We did that in a school, St. Xavier's High School in Kanjurmarg. That time there was TV addiction. The kids came together and they said Thursday, no TV. So when the stakeholders come together and form a movement, then it works. Number 3, remember our family is never a unitary family. It's always a joint family, though you're not staying with anybody. The maid is the family member. Some kids listen to maids. My second kid, even now, listens to a maid who has already left. Yeah. Sometimes they will listen to uncles, aunties, neighbors, etc. So be a management graduate and use all the resources to explain to him. Sometimes a favorite teacher has more influence than you and your husband put together. So use different resources. Number 3, if he's aggressive, if he will not come out of his room because the guests have come, he say, I will not eat with you, then don't go to an astrologer. emotional arbitrator, psychologists and psychiatrists. Go to them and take a neutral opinion and see if something can be done. If everything fails, keep trying. But if they're so addicted that if you take the phone, they will hit you, beat you and break things, then they need to be separated from the phone so that the withdrawal symptoms go away. But use different people in the environment effectively and not through duplicity. It's a problem not for you, ma'am, for every family. And these are some things, but you should read this three document, which is very important.
So just one thing. We are trying different ways, but according to you, sir, how much time should be given on a daily basis? If you could help me with that.
I can't give you a prescription. If he's 14, 13, no? 8th standard?
Yes, sir.
8th standard. I think I would not give a prescription, but he should be a happy child. He should play with his hands and legs. That's important. He should laugh with your sisters and brothers. He should go with his friends and have fun. And then he wants to speak to his friends for some time, it's perfectly all right. But what has happened is after COVID, we did all work on homework kiya, ye kiya, wo kiya. So negotiate and probably bring it 10% every week. 5 to 10% every week. If everything fails then, but don't be very hot in the sense, throughout your life you have said yes to everything. Suddenly you say, ye phone nahi denge, he can commit suicide. And that's something we need to be very careful. Yeah. Last question. Yeah.
The last question.
Yeah. Saxeria.
Yeah. So what happens is आजकल सभी जो पेरेंट्स हैं, यंग पेरेंट्स, वो बच्चों को 1-2 साल की उम्र में प्ले स्कूल्स, फैंसी स्कूल्स, कुकुबुरा एंड ऑल उसमें डाल देते हैं.
क्या क्या?
1-2 साल की उम्र में
रामायण महाभारत क्या?
कुकुबुरा स्कूल में डाल देते हैं, फैंसी स्कूल्स जो हैं काकू, ओके. और फिर ना वो मतलब 2-3-4 घंटे खेल के आएगा, तो इतनी यंग एज में स्कूल में डालना, पहला क्वेश्चन ये ठीक है क्या? दूसरा भी एक चीज़ और भी इन दिनों में काफ़ी बातचीत चल रही है कि एक गुरुकुल टाइप ऑफ स्कूलिंग जैसे वर्ल्ड ऑफ मेथड ऑफ स्कूल है, उसमें 6 साल के बच्चे को कोई भी पढ़ने को नहीं कहते. वर्ल्ड ऑफ मेथड ऑफ स्कूल जिसमें
पता है.
त्रिधा, तो उसमें 6 साल के बच्चे तक ABCD या कोई भी कलर के नाम या कोई 1 2 3 4 वगैरह कुछ नहीं सिखाते, से खेलना और ये सब. कोचिंग भी अलाउड नहीं है, ये सब चीज़ें है. और दूसरा कुछ लोग कंफ्यूज हैं पेरेंट्स कि हमको वैसे स्कूल में डालना चाहिए कि हमको ओबराइज और जमनाबाइज और उसमें डालना चाहिए. तो उस पर थोड़ा सा
क्या बोलते हो, ओबराइज जमनाबाइज ऐसा क्यों बोलते?
तो
देखो ऐसा है सर. If you have to choose a school, first of all, when moms and dads put their schools in that 2-3 years, if they are really doing work, they should not be kept with the maid. But if there's a good creche, where there's healthy environment, I would not say again. Sometimes offices have creche. In Google, they have a creche. So that is very important for working parents. Number one, choose a school which is close to your house as far as possible. Don't go by peer pressure. Remember, school is not a brand. Your child is a brand. Start believing that. What did Shivaji's mother address Shivaji? Right from small, 2 years? Huh? What did she address Shivaji? Raje. She called him emperor from day one. So number 2 is school is not a brand, your child. Number 3 is choose schools which are very close by. They should be humanistic. बार TC लेके जाओ, TC लेके जाओ, ये नहीं करना चाहिए. Number 3, there should be democracy. There should be equal opportunities for all children in extracurricular activities. And it should not be completely corporatized. Some schools are completely corporatized. I mean, it's just words, no cliches. But Oberoi is a good school, sir. Oberoi, Goregaon is a good school. Jamnabai, when my kids were studying, Mrs. Vaz was there. I don't know about it now. It was a great school. I mean, my son once was washing his shirt and 2 shirts. I felt, मेरा बच्चा बदल गया. मिस वाज ने बुलाया, पता है वो क्या कर रहा था? मैं बोला वो शर्ट धोता था. उसने किसी के शर्ट पे इंक डाला. मैंने बोला दोनों शर्ट धो के लाओ. वैसे प्रिंसिपल थे जमुनाबाई. अभी का मुझे पता नहीं. But then schools where principal is accessible, there is no curtains and blocks. It should not be China. नहीं मिल सकते हैं. Appointment लिया क्या? So you should put nothing wrong in going to an international school as long as the international school is not loyal to the Queen more than you and me. Like I run an international school and principal saying I'm going to teach them Hispanic heritage. मैं बोला Hispanic heritage क्या होता है? I will also learn. But होली का महीना है, होली के बारे में सिखाओ. सिविलाइजेशनल ज्ञान तुम दो या स्कूल देगा. मारा पीटा नहीं होना चाहिए. At the same time, respect for the teacher is not negotiable. When they don't respect teachers, they will not respect parents. And those parents who talk bad about the school teachers, son school teachers, they will talk bad about you tomorrow. Thank you for that beautiful question, sir. Yes, last question. Acha, good. I'm happy now. You're going around and picking, yeah.
How to come on common grounds with grandparents' style of parenting and our style of parenting?
Grandparents must have hammered your husband, but they will not allow you to touch your child. You know what? To patao grandparents, our mother-in-law, simple. Festivals, hospitals. Every festival, bend down and touch their feet, take Ashirwad. Do that, that works. Her tablets, give it in her mouth. Number 3, no, it's love. It's your, see, when you think that your father-in-law, mother-in-law is like a mom and dad, that works. Number 3, when she goes to the doctor, isko hatao tum jane ka, and ask with interest. When you buy a dress, send from the phone, Mummy, ye acha laga ka. These things work big times. She might go and say, क्या है ये आजकल अभी से शुरू किया, वो पहले तो नहीं पूछती थी. तो बोलो आज तक जिंदगी ऐसा वैसा जिया हूँ, बाद में महर्षि हरीश शेट्टी आया. And then also it's very important to also to pay equal attention to your parents. And then when you see, best way to patao mother-in-law is, आप जब छोटे थे नई नई शादी करके आए ना, कितना तकलीफ होगा ना. What's your name? विशाल के पापा और आपने बहुत तकलीफ से, then she'll start a story. क्या बताओ बेटा, विशाल को मत बताना, इधर आओ. Then you should say Article 370 देखेंगे साथ में. When the daughter-in-law and the mother-in-law become companions, things work. But sometimes after doing everything, things don't work. Sometimes distance improves respect and love. But that should be the last. It's an asset sometimes to have your mother-in-law and father-in-law, but sometimes they grow old, they might be irritable, they might be fixated on certain issues. थोड़ा tolerate करने का. हर issue में अपन argue करने का. There's no need to win. My father taught me, if you have to win and fight a battle, the person across should be very big. म्हणजे very, very big. Rahul Gandhi types. Or you should not fight, or the issue has to be very big. Otherwise, don't fight. So that these small things, when you buy vegetables, cook a vegetable which she loves, the way she wants, and never interfere when your husband talks to his mother. क्या बोला? उनका private life चलता रहेगा, तुम अपने माँ बाप के. So do these little things and then should quietly. There's always a lucid period when mothers are opening their ears to you. You know what? We went to Vidyanidhi school and the Seva. Have you heard about Seva? No. Acha? Wow. No. And that is, and for you said this 13-year-old girl, वो निकल गया क्या? ठीक है, absence में बात करता हूँ. Teenagers don't listen to when you want to talk to them. They have lucid periods. When in the kitchen, Mummy, I like her, don't drop the vessel. How did he come and say, I used to like but I could not say? Acha? Sit down, don't ask 100 questions. ये like back ज़्यादा दिन तक नहीं चलता है. The more they comment, sometimes these boys and girls, when they're horizontal, they talk more. Ask her. Sleeping with mother, sometimes they talk more, no? When they're horizontal. Even husbands, sometimes they're horizontal, they talk more. Okay? Sometimes they talk when you are sitting with them in their car, but you don't face to each other. Then they start talking. Daddy, I'll study, huh? Nahi yaar, I just asked you, how are you? When you're on a scooter or two-wheeler, when they're behind, they start talking. So there are lucid periods which you should always, but always remember, hug your child all the time. There are some people, नहीं, हमारे माँ बाप ने हमको hug नहीं किया, हमारे संस्कृति में hug नहीं है. Hug your child all the time. And that's very important. So with this, I stop. But remember, 1990, I said, Trust your child completely. Now I say trust your child completely, but keep your eyes open. Okay? Very important, huh? बच्चे लफड़े करेंगे तो हक करो. You may not agree with the behavior, but बोलो मैं और तुम साथ में बैठ के solve करेंगे. I don't like that you picked up 5,000 rupees from my purse. I don't like it, but it's inappropriate behavior. I want to find out how we can help you. And that is something we need to do. My dear friends, if children are doing extremely badly, scientifically understand why it is bad, okay? And this is important. And if stress, 5 signs, irritability, okay, insomnia, no sleep, isolation, I feel lonely, impulsivity, abhi chahiye, sexual problems, again, consequence of stress, and mistrust. With this, I would like to really thank, I would like to thank the organization. I mean, he has been so perseverant, Mr. Dinesh ji, but architect is better. You know, people behind the scenes, Ratan Sharda. He gave me a call, तुमको वहाँ जाना ही चाहिए. I felt it was Modi ji talking. So my dear friends, congratulations for being parents. It's a great journey. You grow with them. You really grow with them. But before you stop, you'll have to say a prayer with me. Please stand up, all of you. It's the last prayer of the day. And fold your hands if you like, but if you don't like, you can do this also. You'll repeat after me. Every child is important. All children are equal. Every child is different. Every child can learn. No child is born a criminal. Transformation is possible in every child. With this, I genuinely thank you. But you know, I need a, please sit down. I need a thunderous applause. Nothing less than a thunderous applause.
With a standing ovation. हम एक मासिक मिलन करते हैं every first Thursday, usually every first Thursday in Lower Parel. Evening 6 to 8 o'clock. And we usually have a similar session wherein we have a speaker followed by Q&A and then we tend to network. तो अगर आप ये details आपके share करेंगे, you will keep getting those invites and you can come for those sessions. Yeah. Before I move over to the thank you note, I'll just request Sunil ji. एक वैभव आश्रय एक प्रोजेक्ट है, इसके बारे में सुनील जी 1 मिनट में बताएंगे.
हमने सबने ऑर्फनेजेस के बारे में सुना है, हम जाते हैं आसपास के ऑर्फनेज में, लेकिन किसी ने शायद ये नहीं सुना है कि एडल्ट ऑर्फन जो है 18+, वो ऐसे 3 करोड़ लोग पूरे देश में हैं. ऐसे एडल्ट ऑर्फन्स को जैसे 18 साल के होते हैं उनको उठा के निकाल दिया जाता है और सड़क पे फेंक दिया जाता है. ना उनके पास आइडेंटिटी है, ना उनके पास कुछ नाम है, ना कुछ कहीं रहने का, काम करने का, खाने का कोई भी साधन नहीं उनके पास. आप 1 दिन के बाद भी जाके पूछोगे ये ऑर्फन्स कहाँ पे हैं तो उनका नाम किसी को पता नहीं होगा कहाँ पे गए हैं वो. ऐसे ऑर्फन्स के लिए एक हमने फैसिलिटी खोली है कामशेत में, जहाँ पे 400 लड़की और 400 लड़कों को, ऑर्फन्स को लाके रखा जाएगा. और वो फैसिलिटी जो है वो वैभव आश्रम के नाम से हम लोग चला रहे हैं. वहाँ पे हम बच्चों का भी 70 बच्चे वहाँ पे ऑलरेडी आ गए हैं और धीरे धीरे 3 बिल्डिंग बनेंगी, जिसमें एक बिल्डिंग लड़कियों के लिए, 1 बिल्डिंग लड़कों के लिए, और बीच में उनका स्किल डेवलपमेंट के लिए रूम होगा, उनका और फैसिलिटीज़ के लिए एकदम 5 स्टार फैसिलिटीज़ वगैरह, बहुत अच्छे फैसिलिटीज़ है. और कामशेत बहुत पास में है. जिनको भी वहाँ देखने जाना है, ये फैसिलिटी में बच्चों के साथ इंटरेक्शन करना है या किसी के लिए स्पॉन्सर्स करने हैं, तो वी आर ओपन कि आप लोग आइए हमारे साथ कुछ काम कीजिए. जिनको स्पॉन्सर नहीं करना है, जिनको बच्चों के साथ जाके वहाँ पे कुछ काम भी करना है अलग अलग टाइप के, ये बच्चे बहुत पीड़ा में हैं. ये लोग आते हैं जब उनकी मनस्थिति, उनकी परिस्थिति बहुत ही ख़राब होती है. इसलिए सब प्लीज़ इस पर आप जुड़िए और जिनको भी अपना नाम देना है वो आके हमारे साथ जुड़ सकते हैं. थैंक यू.
सबसे पहले केवल जा करके देखने का प्रोग्राम बनाइए, बाकी सब बाद में. ठीक है. सुनील जी को बताएंगे, अगर आप डिटेल्स देंगे तो वो उसका अरेंजमेंट करेंगे, कैसे कब आप जा करके वो प्रोजेक्ट देख सकते हैं, उस प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में जान सकते हैं. ये कामशेत में है, कामशेत, लोनावला के थोड़ा आगे. हाँ, yes. I request Shravan ji for the thank you note. थैंक यू नोट होगा, उसके बाद में एक शांति मंत्र और फिर हम एंड करेंगे.
यथा नाम तथा गुण. Harish. I always like to study the names before I, give a thank you note. So Harish, as the name signifies, is actually a version of Lord Vishnu. And it is the one who gives joy and happiness to everybody. So it's no coincidence actually that he is who he is. Maharishi Harish Shetty ji. Being that as it may, Dr. Saab, it was a pleasure hearing you. I heard you, by the way, I'm also a parent of Jamna Bhai and a pass out of Jamna Bhai. I heard you in school once when my children were small. It was very interesting when you were talking about the different styles of parenting. I was actually standing there and looking at many of the faces. People were looking and visualizing themselves. क्या मैं ऐसा हूँ, क्या मैं ऐसी हूँ. It was very interesting. What should I say? The essence that I could draw out was Sangha Chalo. Walk together. When you Sangha Chalo, matlab, whether you are small or big, whether you are fast or slow, when you move together, I think you will be more successful, is what I could understand. Thank you very much for this enlightening session.
एक छोटा सा थैंक यू और मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ दिनेश जी और उनके साथ जो टीम है उनके लिए. ये पहली बार स्पेशल सेशन एक यहाँ पे किया गया है और I'll ask दिनेश जी टू नेम his team member, जो सभी लोग साथ में मिल करके इसको सक्सेस किए हैं.
I'll request Amit, Vipul Bhai, Ashish, Jay is around? Yeah. Kindly come here. So
और भी जिनका नाम नहीं लिया गया है और आ सकते हैं प्लीज.
आ सकते हैं प्लीज आइए, because ultimately Sanjeev ji.
Yeah, everybody, please, a great round of applause for them for doing this, pulling this off.
Come this side. I think we need space. Come this side.
चलिए ताली बजाएंगे तो ये लगे रहेंगे.
Thank you so much.
चलिए.
We'll try and get this more often. So. We really appreciate all the women that have taken out time and come here on a Sunday. So a big round of applause for the women who are here.
We'll end this session with अब शांति मंत्र. आशीष जी शांति मंत्र लेंगे.
मैं अकेला बोलूँगा, आप आँख बंद करके सुन सकते हो. ओम सहना भवतु सहनो भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं कर्वावहै तेजस्विना वधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै. ओम शांति शांति शांति. ओम सर्वेत्र सुखिनः सन्तु सर्वे सन्तु निरामया सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्ति मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Peace for all.